need. Pull it out. Wait until finish down. Yes, apron is out. Yes, good morning. We removed this 775F apron. Problem, this apron is the bearing. Yeah. Yes, the apron is out. To remove the apron, we need to remove our rear suspension. Disconnect this dog bone linkage. And yeah, release the parking brake both sides and tilt the transmission, the rear axle frame upward, so you have an access on the A-frame to slide from downside. Yeah, so far this machine will stay like this. We have the new A-frame coming tomorrow, and that's all. The support, always put the support that holds the entire frame here. Remounting is there. Transmission, to give an access for the apron, we need to raise it up, and the apron can slide through this way. That's all. Thank you.